Hi, I'm Mark Davis from M-Swing. Hey, have you ever given a talk where you're just a little bit disappointed in the way that things turned out? And would you like to give presentations in a way that informs and educates people, but you're not sure of the best way to get it out there? Well, if you have something to say and you feel that you'd benefit from some expert guidance on how to get your information out there, our 3-day workshop will allow you to develop the skills and the knowledge to get your information out there in a way that's enjoyable for you and memorable for your clients. Marietta Mehanni and myself have over 50 years experience in developing and presenting great workshops. We've also got lots of experience in developing great presenters who are currently working all around the world giving great presentations. Our 3-day workshop will give you knowledge and skills that will allow you to put together and deliver meaningful presentations. You'll work in a supportive environment where you'll get loads of feedback, lots of opportunities to practice, and the opportunity to really develop your skills to a new level. We only run our course once a year. This year it's in Melbourne. It's on April 6, 7 and 8. So if you'd like to invest some time developing inspiring talks that are informative, engaging, connect your audience and do it in a way that's very, very effective, this workshop is something you shouldn't miss. We keep the numbers limited so the experience is maximised. So if you check online, look at the details and book in, you'll have a course to remember and skills for life. We look forward to seeing you in Melbourne.